My best and excellent good day. This is David, physical therapist. Today I wanted to provide to you information about hydrogen, its benefits, what it is, and what it can do for you, for your health, and for your fast recovery. Hydrogen is the first element of the periodic table. It's part of H2O, which is water, and it is the smallest molecule. So it really goes deep into the cells and it interacts in a very beneficial way with the mitochondria. Hydrogen works where others antioxidants don't work. You want to be supplementing with this, and we know about it. So we're here to consult you about how to biohack and potentiate your body. Hydrogen is locked inside under just water, but true liberated hydrogen comes with this form of these pills that upon touching water release gas, and this is the gas that's therapeutic for us. What does it do? The immediate effects are decrease inflammation, reduce muscle and tendon pain, increase the G disposition for the cell, TP. It increases tissue repair and recovery, increases mentality and clarify, and increases the blood flow and oxygen delivery. That's practically a healing boost mode that you're putting in your body. Performance effects, less soreness, faster recovery after workouts or physical therapy or surgery, stronger endurance, better metabolic health. In a way, we have a normal cell here. The cell accumulates free radicals through metabolism, that is, through working, aging, and also having to adhere to alcohol, fat, increase bad fats in your diet, or the sugars, which are terrible. It ages. And then with hydrogen supplementation, at times they can heal and the cells don't have to die. They can revitalize and continue on to service your body. With and without hydrogen. Without hydrogen, higher inflammation, slower healing, more soreness and fatigue, higher oxidative stress, slower post-surgery recovery. With it, faster muscle and tendon repair, lower inflammation, improved mitochondria, better stamina and strength, reduces soreness, faster return to activity. The difference is noticeable within days. Long-term benefits, slow aging, cellular aging, protects the heart, brain, and vascular tissue, reduces chronic inflammation markers, support healthy glucose and insulin metabolism, improves mobility and joint health, strengthens resilience against stress and illness. At Restore Perform, we believe that hydrogen supplementation is a part of recovery longevity framework that will do good for you. We're here to consult with you if you're ready to take the leap. If you want the best concierge therapy, health coaching, we're here for you. Have an excellent day. Take care.